Okay guys, I was getting ready to put this first piston in. I'm using this Summit piston ring compressor. You just put the piston on top, and then as it goes down it should compress them rings to go into the cylinder wall. So I've got a little bit of oil in the cylinder wall, and I also put some of that lube, assembly lube, on the journal and the rod bearing. So let me get this hammer here. And we'll knock that down through there. I also got some rod protectors down there. There's some little plastic, let's see what I had. Plastic sleeves that go over that, so here we go. Okay, heard that thing slide down, so I guess it went in. I also made sure the rings were clocked. Let me go ahead and run this down further. I've got it where hopefully it won't scratch it. Alright, getting pretty close here. Alright, show you what I had here. These little plastic sleeves, got these from Summit also. Just go over them bolts, and she's down in there hitting the journal. So let me get the other piston ready and go with that. So I'm gonna put you guys on pause, clean up a little bit here. Okay guys, here we go with the second piston. The rings have been moved around. We'll just stick it in there. Well, doesn't want to go. There she goes. Alright, got that second one in. And make sure it went down all the way. Oh. Probably being a little bit more too cautious, but it's better than be too cautious than none at all. Well, can't pull that darn thing out. Alright, let me put you guys on pause. Okay, here we go guys with piston number 3 on this side. I turned the block upside down. I'm going to try this a little bit different. I guess I'm kind of backwards. I always see everybody putting the pistons in from the top down, but I'm going to try this different. Alright, so we got these rings. In the camera here, we're going to clock those rings. So this is front, going towards front of the engine. So I'll turn this bottom ring 90 degrees this way, and the other one the other way. If I can find it here. Yeah, here we go. And the oil ring has already been done to the other side also. So I'm just going to squirt a little bit of motor oil on this piston. I don't know if it's necessary or not, but let's go ahead and do it. And I already put some in the cylinder wall. So again, let me make sure I got this. And by putting oil on those rings, it kind of helps hold them. Helps them hold on the direction you put them. Alright, so we got that. So we'll stick that in there like that. I lost my place here. Just make sure that rings are not okay. Well, this might not work out. Alright, I got it started. I was having a little trouble getting it started there. Okay, that kind of worked out okay, except when this thing fell down and hit your hand there. I may flip the engine back again, I don't know. It seemed to work a little bit better where I can guide it here, but and you know what, I forgot to put my little plastic sleeves there. I always forget something. Trying to keep everything clean is a chore. All right. Okay, got that one in. Put a little bit of assembly lube on this top bearing cap. Or bottom, whatever you want to call it. That little bottle sure goes a long way. I went ahead and ordered another one from Amazon because I thought I was going to be running low, since I had put it on the crank, taken it off, then cleaned it, put it back on, took it off. So I'd done that I think 2 or 3 times, and I said, well, I'm fixing to run out of this lube. So I bought a bigger bottle of this one. This one is 8 ounces, double the size of that other one. And I don't think I'm going to end up using it, because it seems like this stuff goes a long ways. I don't know how good I got you guys in the picture there, but and I'm not torquing these, I'm just getting them a little tight, and I'll come back and torque them all down. All right. put you guys on pause. And I'll get the other one ready and go with that other one. Alright guys, I'm gonna go for this 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. That's what we got. And this time I got this thing started first before I got over here. So let me make sure I've got it in front. Yep. And all the clearances have been checked already on both the rod bearings and the mains.